Hello my friend, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be talking about a metaverse token called CloneX. Now, CloneX is a metaverse token that revolutionized the AR based on metaverse. CloneX will be building blockchain application that can create revolution in the metaverse. Now, as you can see, the CloneX is a metaverse token that is designed to revolutionize AR based on metaverse. In case you don't know what the meaning of AR means, it simply means augmented reality. Now, why I'm so much interested in this project and I try to share it with you is because it's a metaverse project. And in this century, the rate at which big guns, big names, big companies, they are investing into metaverse, companies like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, the way they are investing into metaverse is worth looking into, is worth saying that this project is going to be a wonderful, it's going to be a project that has good future. It's going to be a very good project. Now, let's look at some of the features of this token. We have the secure transaction, over the reality, lowest fee, secure user data, and so on and so forth. Now, this is the about section. As you can see, at the about section, now CloneX is giving us 3,000 of their token, of their CloneX token as airdrop. That is, every user is entitled to a 3,000 of their token, although you can claim unlimitedly. Yes, you can claim it more than 5 times, more than 10 times, as much as you want. Now, this is the token details. Now, the one that concerns us the most is this part. Say the CloneX Presale. Now, listing price. One CloneX is going to be going for 0.1 USD when it's listed. Now, airdrop and presale ends in the next 37 days, 23 hours. Liquidity will add on Pancake Exchange on February 28, 2022. That is to say, by February 28, we'll be able to swap this token and make a huge profit out of it without spending a dime. Now, they are giving us 3,000 of this token. If you look at it very well, that means we'll be getting 300 USD, $300 profit from this token on 28th of February without spending a dime. Now, talking about the referral program, see, you can invite people with your unique, link and get 20% BNB back and 80% CloneX deposited straight into your CloneX wallet. All right. Now, these are all the other features that you can take your time to go through. Now, I am not a financial advisor. Far from it, I'm not a financial advisor, but I have made my own research and I have made my decision. Now, you should make your own research. Make a very deep research, especially when it has to do with cryptocurrency. Then you can decide if you want to partake in the pre-sale or you just want to go for the airdrop. Now, for those of us that will be buying, we have 0.01 BNB as the minimum, as the maximum, at the minimum, and 0.1 BNB, and I think the maximum amount is not given there, but we know that the 0.01 BNB is the minimum, which will give you 30,000 CloneX token. Also, if you want to go for 0.1 BNB, you get a 3 million CloneX token, so on and so forth. You can go for 0.5, you can go for 1 BNB as your power, as much as you can, afford. But make your research very well before you decide whether you want to partake in the pre-sale or the airdrop. You have 37 days to decide, because after this 37 days, by 28, it will be listing and liquidity will be added. That is to say, the airdrop and the pre-sale will stop on that day. Now, without any further delay, I will copy the link address, which I will leave in the description of this video. But in case if you cannot get it, you can go straight to our Telegram group, join Telegram group, and you get your hands on these things like the contract address, the link address, and some other tons of videos that are there that you can benefit from. So I've copied the link. I'll go straight into our Trust Wallet. We'll enter our PIN. Then we'll go to the DAPP section of our Trust Wallet and paste the address there. Then we'll search. Remember to always change your network from Ethereum to Smart Chain in order to avoid huge gas fee. Always remember, please. Now, we'll go straight into claiming this METAVERSE token. We'll go straight into claiming it. We'll click this claim. Then if you take us to this place, we are going to be claiming 3,000 clone X. That will give us $300 on 28th of next month. So we'll click the claim airdrop. It will load, take some time to load. Good, this is the smart contract screen. Now we have to pay 0.003 BNB, which is about $1.28 and 21 cents for network fee. That's about, the max total is $1.49. That's okay, considering we'll be making a huge $300 of this token by 28th of next month. So I think it's a good transaction. So we'll just approve the transaction, and good, it has been accepted. It will take us back to the site. Then what we'll just do now, we'll go to this BS scan here. Go to this BS scan here and copy the address by clicking this smart chain here. Good, it has been copied. We'll go back to our wallet. Good, you tap the add custom, change network to smart chain, paste. Good, now it has appeared. Clone X token, the symbol is clone X and decimal is 18. All we just have to do now is click done. Once we click done, it will come back to this page. Now we have our clone X token. Now the reason why you are seeing that I'm having 514,200 is because I have already partake in their pre-sale. I bought some and I also claimed the airdrop. So that is the reason why you are seeing that I'm having 514,200 of the clone X. That is it for this video. Thank you. Next.